Hello everyone and welcome back to Kombucha from hipstur. We're gonna make kombucha. You boil basically 3 liters of water, then you throw the tea inside and the sugar to get it dissolved. Yeah. And when you do that, I would maybe stir it around a little bit just so the tea bags can, touch the water. Usually I let it rest in the water for 3 minutes. Take the tea bag out and fill up with cold water, so we have in total 6 liters of water. Yeah. So when the tea is cooled down, you're gonna put the SCOBY into the tea or the mushroom, and you put some extra kombucha that you saved from the last batch into it as well. Very, very important. Then you put a cloth on top of it, and you just put it in a dry, cool space for 7-8 days. And you see that then you will get a new mushroom SCOBY on top of it, and you can produce even more kombucha. That's just amazing. This is just growing mushroom. After that, you can just bottling, you call it. You put the mango puree in the bottle, you fill it with a kombucha on top of it, and you leave a little bit space so it can create some carbon dioxide. And you see now you have to release the pressure. If you don't release the pressure, the bottle might explode and it's gonna get messy, and I promise me you don't want it messy. Guys, thank you so much for listening to the Kombucha hipstur. For more details to make the kombucha, just check out the comments or even ask a comment or two, and I will come back to you as soon as possible. Very important also to mention is you need to have clean hands and clean equipment. If not, this can be some funky growing stuff in there, and this could make damage to the SCOBY. The SCOBY, if you don't have one or don't know anyone, just let me know. I can maybe send you over one, or we will fix and sort it out. I help you guys, it's no problem. Yeah, all right.